This short video is going to show you how to use the third-party tool MatLab Grader. So in this case, I already created a unit just called MatLab, but you could just do it as a regular assignment in any of the units. And I'm going to click on Add Existing, choose External Tool Activity, choose MatLab Grader, and I just had to refresh my screen there a second just to see it. And so when I click on MatLab Grader right here, you notice that it's hidden just like any other new item. So I'm going to go ahead and make that visible. I'm going to click on MatLab Grader right here. And this is the assignment that I chose. I chose something, from a previous time that I was logged in, but I could choose a different item. Let's do something from Calculus 1 and estimating limits numerically. Let me go ahead and copy that. And you can scroll through and decide what you want to do. When you log into MATLAB Grader this way, you want to make sure you're logged into MATLAB Grader as well, so your browser makes that connection, or it might ask you to. And so when I go back to Brightspace, I'm going to go ahead and edit this activity. And I'll call it, a specific assignment name, what makes sense to you. I want to make sure that it's in the grade book. And I'll say it's 50 points. And, if you were grading by percentages kind of thing, you'd have a grade category you'd have to choose here, but I'm just grading by points. And it's going to be one grade item here. And so you've already set the point value on it, with that 50 points right here. And so you can't give a point value here because it's a third party tool, if that makes sense. And, a due date, etc. Save and close. And that's how you'd add something from MATLAB. Thank you and have a good day.